Glad to have you back on the channel. Let's dive deeper into Module 1. In this session, we'll explore the real-world applications of AI and machine learning in detail. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have revolutionized multiple industries by transforming data into actionable insights and automating complex tasks. This presentation explores the diverse applications of AI and ML across key sectors such as healthcare, finance, retail, cybersecurity, manufacturing, agriculture, transportation, and education. We will analyze case studies and innovations that showcase AI's impact on efficiency, personalization, and innovation, while also discussing challenges like bias, privacy, cost, and ethics. Introduction to AI and machine learning applications. Objectives: gain a comprehensive understanding of AI and ML applications across industries and their transformative potential. Key industries: focus on healthcare, finance, retail, cybersecurity, manufacturing, agriculture, transportation, and education. Business value: AI drives operational efficiency, enhances personalization, and catalyzes innovation. Challenges: address concerns around algorithmic bias, data privacy, implementation costs, and ethical implications. AI and machine learning in healthcare. Medical imaging and predictive analytics. AI-powered tools analyze CT scans and MRIs to detect anomalies earlier than human radiologists can. Predictive models like DeepMind's kidney injury predictor alert clinicians 48 hours in advance, enabling proactive care. Drug discovery and case study. Machine learning accelerates vaccine and drug development by identifying promising candidates much faster than traditional methods. Google DeepMind's AI system demonstrates high accuracy in diagnosing eye diseases, improving clinical outcomes. AI transforming finance. Fraud detection. PayPal employs real-time ML algorithms to flag suspicious transactions, reducing financial losses. Credit scoring. Advanced AI models refine risk assessment beyond traditional scoring, exemplified by FICO's innovations. Personalized investments. Robo-advisors adapt financial strategies to individual goals, optimizing returns. Case study: J.P. Morgan's Coin. Automates legal contract reviews, vastly accelerating document processing and reducing human error. AI and ML applications in retail. Product recommendations. Amazon's recommendation engine uses AI to tailor offerings based on customer behavior and preferences, driving sales growth. Inventory management. Walmart applies ML algorithms to forecast demand and optimize inventory, reducing waste and stockouts. Visual search. Pinterest enables users to search for products using images, enhancing user experience and discovery. Case study: Walmart's demand forecasting. AI-powered analytics resulted in more accurate supply chain predictions, improving product availability. Driving cybersecurity with AI and ML. Threat detection. AI-based tools like Darktrace monitor network traffic to identify anomalies and potential breaches in real time. Phishing prevention. Gmail's machine learning filters detect and isolate phishing emails, protecting users from scams. Incident response. Automated AI systems respond rapidly to threats, mitigating damage and reducing manual workload. Case study: Darktrace utilizes AI to autonomously detect and counter evolving cyber threats, bolstering organizational defenses. AI applications in manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. GE Predicts uses AI to forecast equipment failures, preventing downtime and saving costs. Automation. BMW employs AI-driven robots to increase assembly line precision and efficiency. Quality inspection. Tesla uses AI-powered vision systems to detect defects and maintain product quality standards. Innovations in agriculture with AI and ML. Precision farming. John Deere leverages machine learning to analyze soil and crop data, optimizing planting and irrigation strategies. Pest management and weather prediction. AI-driven machines reduce pesticide use by targeted intervention, while advanced weather models help farmers maximize yields through timely planning. AI in transportation and logistics. Autonomous vehicles. Tesla's autopilot system uses real-world driving data and AI to improve safety and navigation capabilities. Route optimization. UPS's Orion system reduces fuel consumption by optimizing delivery routes using machine learning algorithms. Predictive maintenance. Airbus applies AI models to predict aircraft maintenance needs, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. Revolutionizing education with AI and ML. Personalized learning. Platforms like Duolingo adapt lessons to individual learning styles, improving engagement and outcomes. Administrative tools. AI chatbots address student inquiries, streamlining administrative workload and enhancing communication. Curriculum development. AI recommends courses based on learner progress and interests, as seen on platforms like Coursera. Leveraging AI and machine learning for business success. AI and machine learning are driving innovation by transforming how businesses operate and compete. Enhanced decision-making is a prime benefit, as AI analyzes vast datasets to uncover actionable insights and trends, enabling leaders to make more informed, strategic choices rapidly. Process automation, particularly through technologies like robotic process automation, reduces manual workload and improves operational efficiency. This frees employees to focus on higher-value tasks and accelerates workflows across industries. Personalized customer experiences, powered by AI-driven interactions, are revolutionizing engagement models. Companies like Netflix and Amazon tailor content and recommendations uniquely to each user, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. Risk mitigation is another critical area where AI excels. Advanced algorithms continuously monitor for anomalies and threats, detecting potential risks early to prevent costly escalations and safeguard business continuity. Challenges in AI and ML integration. Bias and fairness. AI models risk inheriting biases from training data, leading to unfair outcomes that can harm reputation and trust. Data privacy and security. Protecting sensitive personal and business data is paramount to comply with regulations and prevent breaches. High costs. Implementation demands substantial investment in infrastructure, skilled talent, and ongoing maintenance. Ethical and regulatory concerns. Responsible AI use requires adherence to evolving legal frameworks and ethical standards to avoid misuse. Balancing automation and human oversight. Efficiency. AI accelerates operations and minimizes human error, scaling business capabilities effectively. Ethical decision-making. Human involvement ensures AI decisions align with moral and societal values. Explainable AI. Transparent AI models increase trust by making decisions understandable. Hybrid approach. Combining AI capabilities with human judgment ensures greater reliability and accountability. Conclusion. Transformative impact. AI and ML are reshaping industries by enabling intelligent automation and actionable insights. Addressing challenges. Effective mitigation of ethical, privacy, and cost challenges is essential for success. Future integration. Ongoing advancements will deepen AI's role in everyday activities and business processes. Understanding is key. Leaders must grasp AI's potential and risks to harness its full value strategically. Thank you and next steps. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI and machine learning business value and challenges. Support our efforts by liking, sharing, and subscribing to keep high-quality content coming your way. Together, we can grow, innovate, and succeed by embracing AI responsibly and thoughtfully. Let's stay connected and continue exploring how AI and ML can drive your future growth and competitive advantage.